Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. Most of the porcelain tile work was completed, except for the 2 offices. All tile work in the basement was completed, except for the pantry tile, which is on back order for this area. The quartz seats were installed at the wudu area. All sprinkler piping was completed, and we are just waiting for a hydro test, which would be the final. Electricians are here working on miscellaneous items throughout the building. They are all complete except for 2 exit signs and the LED lighting in all of the soffits. Carpenters will be back next week to install the metal LED crown molding detail to house the LED lighting at all of the soffits on the upper floor. The carpenters will be back to install the ceiling tile as soon as the LED lighting is completed above ceiling. The elevator is complete. We are just waiting for the punch list of items that we need to do the setup for the inspection. Please continue donating as much as you can and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.